Are you hungry, but you want to find something that doesn't leave behind a whole bunch of slime in your body and infest your body with parasites and worms and decades-old feces stones and mucoid plaque? Well, you've come to the right place because we have a recipe today that is an absolute game changer that can help you if you find yourself hungry.
Go on. I'm listening.
You want to be mucus-free.
I absolutely do.
You want to practice the system, but you're finding that you're getting too hungry.
All I think about is food.
Well, this kind of recipe is what you want to be eating so that you can assuage that demon thirst, that taste, that hunger. For pus and mucus-forming foods, we want to try to avoid those. We want to get away from those, and we want to change our taste buds so that what we crave is mucus-free.
Oh, that would be nice.
And this recipe, oven-roasted zucchini spaghetti, is one of these game-changing recipes that if you find yourself really hungry, but you want to remain mucus-free, then you can go down this road.
Yes. Yes, I am saved!
And this is inspired a bit by one of the classic recipes out of the Mucusless diet healing system is zucchini Italiano. Slice about 1/2 inch thickness, 2 good-sized zucchini, and 1 good-sized tomato. Baked zucchini with half red onion sliced, 1 small clove garlic. If desired, the basil and oregano to taste for about 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Add tomatoes and cook in additional 10 minutes or until tender. So that is one of the recipes that really was influential to me. I did a lot of baked zucchini and baked zucchini variations, then got into raw zucchini after a while. There's a lot that you can do with zucchini, summer squash, the entire squash family. So in this recipe, Miya, Hannah, and Monica is gonna show you how you can really create a tasty, nutritious meal that's mucus-free, mostly mucus-free, that can really help you along your transition. Now, I'm Professor Spira. I practice something called the Mucusless diet healing system. I've done so for over 21 years. And I've had the privilege of helping thousands of people transform their lives using the methods found in this great system that was discovered by Professor Arnold Ehret in the early 1900s. And this is the direction that we want to go. Eating foods that do not cause inflammation, that don't cause cancers, that don't cause all of these problems, but still be tasty, still be filling, and be perfect to help you on your trajectory to a mucus-free life. So without further ado, Monica, Hannah, and Miya, take it away.
Welcome! Hi, my name is Monica,
Miya, and Hannah.
and today we're doing a very special video to help with those spaghetti cravings. So we're gonna do zucchini baked spaghetti. All right, so what do we need, girls?
We need zucchinis, of course.
Okay, let's show them the zucchini.
We're gonna have. We got basil. We got basil too. We
Basil,
have red pepper tomato soup.
red pepper tomato sauce, yep. And these are locally grown organic garlic. They kind of look like leeks, but they do smell like garlic, so we'll go with it. What tools do we need?
You need a cutting board.
Knife.
Either shred by hand, but we're gonna shred with our noodle maker.
Yes. All right, sounds
And you
great.
need a pan.
Yeah, a
Put it
pan
all
to
in.
bake it in.
Show them the tip we're gonna be using.
Okay, we're gonna be using a spaghetti tip. All right, let's get started. Hannah, do you mind cutting the ends off the zucchini and cutting them in half for Miya to noodle?
I don't think we ever ate any kind of like real spaghetti.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah, like with meat and stuff? No.
Yeah.
No, never had that.
Great teacher, good mom.
We would usually make it like with the tomato paste and some noodles, but this time we're making it mucus-free. Well, is it like mucus lean?
Nope, it's mucus-free.
Okay. So what are the seasonings?
seasonings are the basil and the garlic. That's it. And then however you guys want to season it up when you eat it, that we'll show that at the end, how you guys you prefer to eat it. I just eat it just like this normally, but how you girls will do your own individual transition and how you enjoy your zucchini spaghetti with salad.
And it only goes so far, so once it stops,
I may have accidentally done angel hair.
Oh, whoops.
Oh, that's okay.
it looks so cute anyway. And then we have little mushroom-looking things.
Give it to me.
We can bake those too. I'll chop it up a little small.
And I've had practice on this shredder, so I'm a very fast shredder on this.
You know, I'm a professional.
A pro noodler.
That is me.
Yeah,
This one's not that good.
Oh dear. Here, let me chop off. Okay. There you go. Now it's got. Thank you.
That was close.
Well, at least we know that no one used any chemicals on these, or else they wouldn't have gone bad.
Yeah, natural food goes bad quick, so you gotta use it.
And I'm just gonna put the basil.
You can go ahead and put it in the tomato sauce. Yeah. We'll add basil, we'll add the onion, and then whatever big pieces of zucchini, I also chop them up and put them in. And then we're gonna mix those different flavors into our roasted red pepper sauce. And then that'll give it a different, more Italian spaghetti type flavor.
We've got a mushroom thing for you to take care of.
Okay. That'll work out, man?
Oh, I've been working out.
Movement is important, right? That's part of the Mucusless diet healing system.
You gotta live without moving.
Right. You stop moving.
Eat it.
You're it.
You turn off.
You turn off. Oh, don't want to. No.
Look at these are our noodles. I love making pasta. The fun of it is you gotta work to eat, and that's actually better than just eating at a restaurant, because when you eat at a restaurant, you're being lazy.
Oh, snap.
But when you make your food, you're exercising every moment that it is.
And your body's getting prepared to digest what you're making. So it knows, like Hannah's touching zucchini, so her body begins to prepare to digest this kind of food.
But when you go somewhere to eat, it's not the same.
No.
Because your body is shocked.
Shocked. That's right. That's a perfect word, man. Shocked by what it's about to eat. And then it usually doesn't feel good because we don't know what they're putting in it at a restaurant. Whereas when we make the food at home, we know exactly what's going in there and
Exactly what's coming out.
It's not nice to talk about poopies at the dinner table.
we stopped eating at restaurants
A few years ago.
a few years ago, yeah.
How was that possible?
I don't know how.
We don't make it, we don't eat it.
Well, that makes sense.
That's what's gonna go over my hands. I don't want to eat meat because it would be hurting an animal that could have a family.
That makes me sad.
That's right. Well, it certainly does have a family because it came from a mama. Mia's gonna show you the noodles. Hannah's gonna show you the sauce.
Look at them. Look how good these are. I am hungry.
Me too, girl. I feel you.
And
I
so
used to
all
like
we're gonna do
pineapples.
is put it right on top and let it cook right in there. All right, we'll be back and show you the results in just a little bit.
Thank you.
Gotcha.
Okay, we're all done baking the zucchini spaghetti.
Hooray for me!
Let me give you a little look-see here. I baked it at
It feels
400
really good.
400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And that's the results. I stirred it halfway in between just to get some of the noodles get a little crunch. And that's kind of fun. Hannah prepared a salad while that was baking. So Hannah, what'd you put in the salad?
Spinach,
Uh-huh.
spring mix, carrots, and
Cabbage.
cabbage.
Oh, and some charge.
And chard,
Yeah. So she made that up. And what's the magic ingredient? Always.
Lemon.
Lemon. That's
and
right.
then we have our dressing, homemade dressing. We have green salt and those granules. Yep, very fine those granules.
Yes.
Can you show the camera?
Yeah. So green salt is made from ground salicornia, which is a sea vegetable, and dulse granules is also a seaweed, a red seaweed that is also ground up, which are both have higher levels of salt in them, but it's not eating salt separate from the plant itself. So that's how we're gonna enjoy. The girls are gonna show you how they enjoy their salad with their baked spaghetti zucchini with sauce.
We're gonna have some good eating tonight.
Take it away, girls. Oh, and cucumber. You added cucumber too.
Oh yeah,
That's
cucumber.
right. Yep.
I'm going to get some dressing, homemade. We'll make a video for it soon.
Please.
Now, could you give me a spoon, please, for the dressing?
And each person enjoys it a little different. Hannah
And
prefers the green salicornia salt.
I'm going to add my dressing. This whole recipe is salt-free.
Can you comprehend that?
Salt-free and mucus-free. So it smells good. Now I'm curious how it tastes.
Really hot, but
Oh yeah,
really
I literally
good.
just got it out of the oven, so it is quite hot.
That is really good. That is really, really, really. How long did you cook it for?
25 minutes at 400 degrees. Good?
Mm-hmm.
You're enjoying it? Okay. I love it. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We hope you continue to watch and get more ideas for your transition to help you through whatever it is that you're going through and need a recipe for. And feel free to share your recipes that can be different from ours to give us ideas as well. So we're always so grateful to share our videos with you, and thank you so much for joining us.
And then maybe we'll use your ideas, your recipes.
Okay, see you later. Thank you so much for joining us.
Bye.
Are you starting to get the picture? Are you starting to understand that the transition diet doesn't have to be arduous? It doesn't have to be painful. You don't have to be hungry. You're not supposed to be hungry. For the past 21 years, I've fasted more than many people and I was not hungry.
Oh, that's cool.
Why? Because I used menus like this for years. I mastered, to a certain extent, these kind of menus. I just used them for a long time. That made fasting, when it was time to do these long fasts that impress people for whatever reason. Who cares? Like, I'm more impressed by, can you eat like this for an entire year?
Now that's impressive.
Can you be mostly mucus-free? Can you adhere to the transition diet principles, putting all of the pieces together of the transition methodology? That's what impresses me. So if you learned something here today, if you got something out of this recipe, this video, go down below, say thank you to Monica, Hannah, and Mia, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, notification button, and share this video, because this helps us get the message out that it's not that hard. It's not supposed to be hard. It doesn't have to be hard.
Did you hear that?
You don't have to be hungry. You're not supposed to be deficient and going through deficiency kind of symptoms. This is about a transformation and purification of the human body, mind, and spirit. So people always have something to say. So what's nuttier? Eating a big piece of dead flesh that's in the process of decomposition, starting to rot, and you better hurry up and go cook it, then you're gonna eat that? Or take zucchini out of the garden, use our little technology, cut it up kind of cute, cool, nice little noodles, put it in the oven a little bit, bake it up, get a little sauce, nice combination salad. All of that's gonna go through and is going to serve your intestines and GI tract in terms of cleaning it out, grooming it out. That's what we want. Groom out the body, eating foods that do not create mucus or create the least amount of mucus residue possible, and keep it moving. So thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time. And before you go, right here, there is another video that has been selected specifically for you. Click right here, and I will see you over there. Peace, love, and bread.